Today at CRKT, we're taking a look at the sleek and simple Pilar. It's an everyday carry pocket knife that those with a well-trained eye can tell this is a Jesper Voxnäs design. He's always wanted to keep things simple, yet interesting. The unique blade shape of the Pilar is great for a wide range of slicing, cutting, and moderate chopping tasks. Overall, this knife measures in at just under 6 inches. The blade is about 2.4 inches long, and this is a compact knife that's lightweight. The weight is about 4.2 ounces, and that's 119 grams. This modified Wharncliffe blade style is complete with a satin finish that complements the overall design of the knife well. It also has a large, comfortable finger choil at the base of the blade to give you maximum cutting control. The frame lock keeps the blade lockup solid and safe when open, and the thumb slot here on the blade makes it super easy when opening and closing. The stainless steel handle has an attractive bead blast finish, and it feels really solid in hand. A reversible clip on the handle side makes for a low-profile tip-up or tip-down carry. There's also a hole at the base of the handle for a lanyard. The story behind the name on this one is pretty cool. Jesper named it after a famous author, Ernest Hemingway's 38-foot-long boat that he used for renegade surveillance of German U-boats during World War II in the Caribbean. Apparently it was Jesper's thought that if Hemingway himself were to choose a modern and useful everyday carry knife, it would look something like this one, so he named it the Pilar. Join us in our social media community. Use hashtag #ConfidenceInHand. And thank you for choosing to carry CRKT Knives and Tools.
In 1964, driven by a desire to deliver a truly functional folder, my grandfather, Al Buck, introduced the Model 110 Folding Hunter. This American icon revolutionized the industry and has become the most famous imitated knife design of all time. The 110 transformed our marketplace, putting buck knives in the front line of the knife industry, as well as a central tradition among families. Building and designing the 110 Folding Hunter is quite the process. From the rivets and pins to the bolsters and sanding, the knives undergo many processes until they are buffed, edged, sharpened, and ready for purchase. So let me show you the 110 Folding Hunter. It comes in 2 different styles, basic or finger groove. The handle material is Macassar ebony diamond wood. It's real wood that's been infused with resin. Lockback design for safety. The brass bolster is beveled for ergonomic comfort. The 420HC stainless steel clip point blade is 3 3/4 inches long and 120 thousandths of an inch thick. The knife weighs 7.2 ounces and is made in the USA. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is a classic, the '57 Chevy of knives. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced with a new buck knife, free of charge.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.